Breaking out the old Brixton Forge hat, dude. Been a minute. They sent me a hat, but they didn't send me no wheels. Hook your boy up. Sponsor the channel. Let's get some Brixton Forged on here. Brixton Forges is forged. Brixton Forged. Let's get this video started. It always amazes me how tame this car is when the valves are closed. It's like, it's so quiet. We've got a little bit of catching up to do on the car. I got the notification that my wheels shipped, and so I should have those this week. Lip is still intact and not broken, looking good. I actually ordered another one just to have a backup one. But once my wheels arrive, I think I'm actually gonna lift the car up a little bit. I think I'm gonna go like maybe a quarter or a half inch higher because this lip is very, very low. It's really just these points. Like I've already scraped the bottom on both of them, but it's really just these little points right here that are just extremely low, almost like a half inch lower than your bumper. The previous lips that I ran on this just kind of came straight out. Granted, those ones was stuck out a lot farther. This one doesn't stick out as far, but it just points kind of downward. But if you guys are gonna run that lip, just so you know, it's a pretty low lip. I love it though, in terms of like the style of it. I think it's the best one they make for this car. Getting things lined up for the track, getting my helmet. I'm gonna put the wing on before we actually go to the track, because I do want to use the actual wing on the track. Starbucks order is ready. And like I said, the track wheels show up this week, and I'm also ordering my track tires. I'm not getting full-on track tires, but I'm getting the Michelin Sport Cup 2s. So I'll just be honest with you guys. I was going to run the Toyo R88Rs, and I was in conversations with Toyo. They wanted to do like a partial sponsorship deal where they give me a certain amount off of each tire, but the downside to the whole deal, well, downside in my opinion, is I have to run a bunch of Toyo stickers on the car. I'm just like not, if I can afford the part, then I'll just buy the part if I want to support that brand. But for me personally, I just like hate running a bunch of decals on my car. Ultimately, it just made the most sense to go with the Michelin Sport Cup 2s, which are like the nicer Michelin tires. Michelin Sport Cup 2s are baller. Like, they're super great tires. You're gonna have zero issues running those on track or street. So they're a little bit more versatile, and that's kind of why I decided ultimately to go with the Sport Cup 2s over the R88Rs. There's nothing wrong with the R88Rs. They're straight up track tires. So from what I understand, when you have a track tire, there's less forgiveness between the point of contact, like when you're fully on the road and you have full traction, to the point of sliding. There's very little forgiveness in between those two spectrums. So you're either fully contacted on the road with full traction, or you're just sliding. There's no in between. When you have a normal sport tire, or just like a streetable tire, there's a little bit more forgiveness in between the point of full traction to the point of, oh shit, I'm sliding. From what I understand, and correct me if I'm wrong, you guys, I'm still learning all this too, and I'm just going to share everything that I pick up and gather and learn with you guys. If it's not right, correct me in the comments, that's fine. I'm okay with being wrong sometimes. But from what I've gathered, that is like the main difference between having like a street tire and a track tire. Obviously, like the tread patterns are gonna be different, and the way that the tire reacts to the actual track is going to be different. And yes, you need to warm up track tires, so like takes a while to warm them up and get them super sticky. A street tire is obviously gonna be a lot more daily drivable, a lot more manageable on like street roads when it's raining under natural conditions. So for me personally, I know that I'm gonna be really, really hyped when I get my new wheels. I don't wanna be limited to only running them at the track. Initially, I was like, oh, they'll just be my track wheels, but to be honest with you, I'd like to run them kind of like all the time. They just look super dope. So there's a lot of reasons in there, but ultimately I decided to go with the Michelin Sport Cup 2s, which are a fantastic tire, and I think they're gonna do really well. Tread Connection's gonna hook me up with them, bring them out, install them. We're gonna do all of the good video stuff on that. So like I said before, a lot of this track stuff, like I'm still learning a lot of stuff about track because I've never done it. I've never properly gone to a track and raced my car, and I want to bring you guys, like maybe there's some people on this channel who have never done that before. I want to get as much information and content out there on how to prep for the track, how to get your car ready, what to expect, the things that you need to buy in terms of like a helmet, what it might cost to go for a full track day, what that looks like when it's your first time and you have to learn. I'm going to be documenting all of it. I honestly think it's going to be super helpful for a lot of people. Nice and warmed up, ready to go. We're gonna live our lives. So I got this this little GoPro mount here. Goes on a window. I usually have you guys set up on this thing, but today I think I'm gonna do a little bit different. I think I'm gonna put this, I've done like the view over here where it points towards me. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna try putting it up here, pointing towards me, and you guys just tell me what you think about it. Do you like that view? We're just gonna go for a little rip today. Some fun back roads that I know about. And I honestly just haven't been able to like drive my car, like drive my car for a while. Been out of town, just been busy. So I just wanna drive my car and enjoy it. And I think that sometimes that's like really important to just enjoy your car, enjoy your build. So this is what I think I'm gonna do. I have it set up like that. And the angle looks okay. Like it looks all right. I'm gonna do half of this video with it set up like that and half of it with like the normal point of view, like this right now. And you guys tell me what you prefer. All right, man, we're awake. We can open up those valves. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like that. Amazing how loud the turbo is. The turbo is just so freaking loud in this car. Views, boys. Jeez. That DSC off, man. This thing's just another creature. It's cool though because it still feels completely controllable. We don't be doing Mustang things. No, no. All right, guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. Basically just ride along, chat and chill, listen to the N55. Just a little spirited drive on this fine Saturday morning. Thank you for tagging along. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe, comment down below, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. bye.